Point's tallest rides. You're about to take a journey 285 feet up the spiral. The tower itself is 330 feet tall and is securely anchored at an elevation of only 30 feet below ground level. The Space Spiral, built in 1965, offers a view of the city of Sandusky, Sandusky Bay, the Lake Erie Islands, and the vast Cedar Point Resort. Cedar Point encompasses 364 acres and includes the 667-dock marina, the 650-room Hotel Breakers, the 187-room Sandcastle Suites, the 244-site camper village, and the 59 sites and cottages and cabins of Lighthouse Point. With 68 rides, Cedar Point is one of the largest amusement parks in the country. Cedar Point features 16 roller coasters, including the inverted coaster Dragster, the racing-style Gemini, the triple-looping Corkscrew, the ever-popular Blue Streak, the stand-up coaster Mantis, Woodstock Express and Camp Snoopy, Main Street, the suspended Iron Dragon, Magnet XL 200, Liquid Twister, and our two tallest coasters, Millennium Force and the new Top Thrill Dragster. Top Thrill Dragster is a first-of-a-kind ride for Cedar Point. It features a 420-foot tall hill and a hydraulic launch system that will rocket riders from 0 to 120 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. This newest addition brings the total number of roller coasters to 16, solidifying Cedar Point as the roller coaster capital of the world. But Cedar Point is more than just rides. We offer a variety of attractions designed to entertain the whole family. We present you with Snoopy Rocks on Ice in the Good Time Theater, where your favorite Peanuts characters come to life on ice. Cedar Point also offers the Frontier Trail and 3 other theaters with over 100 talented entertainers. Challenge Park includes Silk City, an 18-acre water park, Challenge Golf with 2 18-hole miniature golf courses, Ripcord, a 152-foot freefall where flyers combine the thrill and excitement of skydiving and hang gliding, and 2 challenging go-kart tracks. In 1870, Cedar Point began as a simple beach and bathhouse. Since that time, it's grown into a multi-million-dollar entertainment resort, which provides family fun for over 3 million guests each summer. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for riding the Space Spiral today. When the cabin comes to a complete stop, please exit through those doors opposite the ones you